Hey everybody, it's Shelley Gracie with Remax Twin City, and I'm very excited to be bringing a property to your attention today. It's located in the Cobblestone subdivision, which is a very popular and family-friendly area. Walking distance to two different schools that are newer, and access to the highway 403 is perfect, less than 5-minute drive. You're gonna love this. So today I am bringing to you 32 Irongate in beautiful Paris, Ontario. It's one-floor living, not easy to find a bungalow in this neighborhood like this. 3+1 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, finished rec room. It's got an in-ground pool. You're gonna love it. Check it out.
If I fall, hold me close, 'cause I've been traveling for far too long. If I fall, let me go, 'cause a strong man's heart isn't made of stone, despite what you've been told. The acrobat's got himself in a twist. He's hanging from his toes, blood coming out of his nose. They tried to cut him down from his drink.
If you want to check it out, it's homesandbrant.com. You can call me 519-717-5478. I'd be more than happy to show you this property, and I look forward to talking to you.
If I fall, let me go, 'cause I've been traveling for far.